So I've been using the Pixel 2 XL for like 4 days now. I've had the phone for a while. I haven't put out a full review because I like to use a phone as my daily driver first before I actually give you my thoughts and opinions. That way I get the full experience of the phone. So that being said, I wanted to give you guys a quick update on my experience using the Pixel 2 XL as my daily driver and give you 5 things I actually love about this device. So the first thing I love about the Pixel 2 XL is the user experience and the software. Now, in Google's eyes, this is stock Android, and that experience is really enjoyable. It's very fast, very fluid, minor hiccups, and overall, it's just a pleasure to use. The second thing I love about the Pixel 2 XL is the front-facing speakers. You don't really find this on other smartphones other than the Razer phone and the Pixel 2, but it really adds to the experience whether you consume a lot of video content or listen to a lot of music using your external speakers. It really adds to that experience, making things much more enjoyable because the speakers are more directional, they're clean, they're crisp, and overall, they're definitely a pleasure to use. The third thing I love about the Pixel 2 XL is the camera quality and the portrait mode. The fact that it doesn't have to use a secondary lens for the portrait mode feature is pretty game-changing. It uses Google's algorithms and it does a great job, including the front-facing camera. It pretty much nails it, I would say a good 80% of the time. Pictures are nice and sharp. The dynamic range is out of this world good. And yeah, there's really nothing to complain about when it comes to camera quality or the portrait mode on the Pixel 2 or the Pixel 2 XL. The fourth thing I love about the Pixel 2 XL is the squeeze feature. Basically, you squeeze the phone and it will activate Google Assistant. Now, I know this has been around on HTC phones, but the fact that Google implemented this on their own phone is definitely awesome. And again, it really just adds to that user experience. Since using this phone, I've received a ton of updates very fast, whether the security updates or software patches or even adding additional features. And that's because since it's coming straight from Google, you're able to get those updates a lot faster, which brings me to reason number 5, I love the Pixel 2 XL for updates. Well guys, that's the end of this video. If you want to see more content on the Pixel 2 XL, go ahead and subscribe, including my 5 dislikes of this phone, which will be in my next video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and drop that thumbs up button. If you have any questions, leave them down below in a comment. Go ahead and hit me up on social, as I do find myself to be a little bit more responsive in that aspect. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video.